Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using needle and thread, and this is the thank you card we're making today. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Blushing Bride, and I'm going to use my Berry Burst. I'm sad, guys, that this color is going away. All right, and we're using needle and thread, and we're going to be using Thank You. And I have that mounted on Clear Block G. We'll just put it there in the center. And now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have the coordinating framelits. So we'll put that down and make our sandwich. Run that through. All right, so just like that. And now I have the Needle and Thread Designer Series paper. And this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm going to put this down with my SNAIL adhesive. And then I have another piece of the Blushing Bride, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then our mat is Berry Burst. Our card base is Berry Burst, and that's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So just like that, and then I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm going to take my metallic rose thread, and I'm just going to wrap it around my fingers. And I'm going to crisscross it here in the back. Well, let's get this straight. All right, just like that, a quick and simple thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!